Muntapoy is a Kankanai term for rice wine making. The people of Barangay Banding proper do this as one of their cultural tradition and practice, especially scheduled during times when they await of a wedding celebration which we call babayas. Firstly, they plow the rice paddy, which they are to sow the rice variety intended for the purpose. The family then will plant the grown seeds during planting season. And just after planting, it is being cared by maintaining enough water supplies until it grows. After some months, when it will start to bloom, or manbala, little boys and girls go guard their own rice fields during daytime, mandulo, not to allow those rice birds or biding and rats to eat and destroy the plant. The barber bird, or the tala, helps in driving rice birds away from the rice field. When harvest time comes, the whole family will do the work using the lakum to gather and buban or banos to bind it. And just after the harvest, we will let it be dried and then pound it using the pestle and a mortar, ready for cooking. They then will cook enough amount of rice they are used in making wine, and after which they spread the cooked amount of cooked rice on aligao, which they add bubod. After mixing, they will put a lamba wrapped with fresh banana leaves for 2 to 3 days until such time juice drips from the lamba. And then that's the time they keep it in a jar for fermentation. The prepared jar of wine can not just be opened for consumption until such time when a wedding or babayas be done within the community. The prepared wine now be carried by the inina as tribute or gift to the couple for the amamam to do the cultural ceremony as way to praise, and then open the musi for everybody attending the ceremony to drink and partake of it. The celebration will go on doing all the ceremonies and dances while drinking the tapoy. So, these are the dancers from Barangay Bangin proper, headed by the Punong Barangay Honorable Narciso Cayabas. On the ground now is Barangay Poblacion. Barangay Poblacion is headed by the Punong Barangay Honorable Anthony Bullion.